This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make card Figma easy guide. Open Figma and create a new file, then add a 3.5" by 2" frame for your card. Set a simple layout grid and choose primary colors and fonts. Add rectangles for background, place text layers, and import icons or images. Use components for reusable parts and test alignment before exporting PNG or PDF for printing. Start by picking a clear headline font and a secondary font for details to ensure legibility on small cards. Limit your palette to 2 or 3 colors to avoid clutter and maintain brand recognition. Convert recurring items into components so edits update everywhere instantly. Experiment with spacing and padding to create breathable design, then preview at actual size to confirm readability before finalizing your export settings. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy design guides. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a fun little pick-me-up related to your commute to work. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Use auto layout to quickly create variations and adapt content length without breaking alignment, which saves time on iterations. Set export presets for PNG and PDF so you can deliver print-ready files with consistent settings. Check color contrast to ensure text stands out and remains accessible for all viewers. Keep components organized in a clear hierarchy to speed up collaboration with developers or teammates when handing off the design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.